30-Day Backyard Garden Challenge. Grow your own food fast. Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts! Are you tired of sky-high grocery bills and produce that tastes like it came from another planet? Well, I have fantastic news for you. You can ditch the bland and expensive and start enjoying fresh, flavorful, homegrown food. The secret? Growing your own, and I'm going to show you how to do it fast. Get ready to transform your backyard or balcony with the 30-Day Backyard Garden Challenge. That's right, in just 30 days, you could be eating delicious, healthy foods straight from your own garden. We're focusing on fast-growing vegetables that are perfect for beginners. No green thumb required. First, we'll spend a few days planning and preparing. This includes choosing the right location, getting your soil ready, and selecting your plants. Then we'll dive into planting with some super easy techniques. Trust me, anyone can do this. The bulk of the challenge is maintenance, watering, weeding, and giving your plants a little TLC. Finally, the best part, harvesting your bounty and enjoying the fruits, or vegetables, of your labor. Let's talk about the rock stars of our 30-day garden, the fastest growing, easiest to manage veggies. First up, radishes. These little guys are ready to harvest in just 30 days. Radishes are incredibly easy to grow directly from seed. Just pop them in the ground and watch them go. Next, we have lettuce and spinach. These leafy greens are perfect for salads and can be harvested in stages. You can snip off a few leaves at a time, allowing the plant to keep producing. Talk about a continuous harvest. And finally, bush beans. While they take a little longer, 60 days, the bountiful harvest is well worth the wait. Bush beans are also super easy to grow and incredibly delicious. Perfect for roasting, steaming, or adding to soups and stews. Bonus tip: if you want even faster results, consider using starter plants. These are young plants that have already been started for you, giving you a head start. Now, let's cover some essential gardening tips to ensure your success. Sunlight is key. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Make sure you choose a location that gets plenty of sunshine. Your plants will thank you. Next, let's talk about soil. You need well-draining soil that's enriched with compost. Compost provides essential nutrients and helps retain moisture. It's like a superfood for your plants. Watering is also crucial, especially during dry spells. Check your soil moisture regularly. When you water, aim for the base of the plants. This helps prevent fungal diseases. And don't forget about weeding. Keep those pesky weeds under control. Weeds steal nutrients and water from your vegetables. A little weeding goes a long way. Finally, consider fertilizing your plants with a balanced fertilizer. This will give them an extra boost. All right, let's get our hands dirty. I'm going to demonstrate how to plant radishes from seed. First, prepare your soil by loosening it up and removing any rocks or debris. Next, create shallow rows in the soil, about ½ an inch deep. Sprinkle the radish seeds along the rows, spacing them about 1 inch apart. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil and gently pat it down. Finally, water the area gently. You don't want to wash away the seeds. Repeat this process for your other vegetables, adjusting the spacing and depth as needed. Let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid so you can have a thriving garden. Overwatering is a big one. It can lead to root rot, which is basically plant death. Make sure your soil is well draining and only water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Poor soil is another common mistake. Don't skimp on the soil. Use good quality soil that's rich in nutrients. Your plants will thank you. Ignoring pests is also a no-no. Inspect your plants regularly for any signs of pests. If you spot any, take action immediately. There are many organic pest control options available. And finally, not enough sunlight. Remember, most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Choose a sunny location for your garden to ensure your plants get the light they need. So, are you ready to take the 30-Day Backyard Garden Challenge? I know you can do it. Start planning your garden today and get ready to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce in just 1 month. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips. Growing your own food doesn't have to be complicated. With a little planning and effort, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown produce in no time. Imagine fresh salads, delicious roasted vegetables, and the satisfaction of knowing you grew it all yourself.